Imagine citing a paper that never even existed. How would that even happen? Well, it seems ridiculous to you and I. This exact situation was discovered by a Dutch scientist named Peter Kronenberg in 2017. The cited paper was titled The Art of Writing a Scientific Article and was created to illustrate the formatting guidelines for an Elsevier publication. This citation did not refer to a real paper, but rather was an invented citation for prospective authors to look at while formatting their references. In a search of Web of Science, he found over 400 papers citing this phony paper, as well as even more on Google Scholar. Many of these citations were in conference papers of low quality from authors in emerging economies, suggesting it's more of a quality control issue. Approximately 40 references to the phantom paper do appear in quality established journals, and once contacted, authors of these papers chalk the citation up to poor editing or honest mistakes. So if poor editing and careless citations can promote a non-existent paper with a number of citations that most of us would be really proud of, how far can errors in citation go? Well, a more common error with citation would be to reference a paper for something that the paper doesn't actually show. It is a problem to cite a paper that is close enough to the point you want to make, but does not accurately reflect your use of it. It's also problematic to grab a citation from a published paper without doing your due diligence and reading the original article to verify the content. It could have been miscited already, and you don't want to be responsible for perpetrating misinformation. Now, finding a source that is close enough but does not actually say what you're citing for is certainly unethical, but may not be serious academic misconduct that can get you fired or kicked out of school. But most authors receive a notification when they're cited and will know immediately when cited incorrectly. Your reputation is tied to your work, so any inaccuracies you publish, whether through repeating incorrect citations by other authors or by using any close enough references, will be also tied to your reputation. Career progress and opportunities for academics are often based on reputation. Since it's so easy to get caught doing this and have your reputation damaged, it really is not worth the risk. And word travels fast in a small community, and many of our fields are really small communities. So once caught, people aren't going to want to vouch for you as references or afford you opportunities once you become associated with poor, unethical practices like this. Mistakes in citations are often due to poor editing. As with many of those authors who cited a fake paper over 400 times, or authors who grab citations from published works without verifying the accuracy of the citation, or with graduate students who cite papers that are just close enough, all the downfalls of these errors can be avoided just by taking the time to double check yours and your co-author's citations. Your reputation and your future self will thank you for it.